Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Today I made $1,645 off of 4 different trades. Here's how. Please sit back and enjoy the stream recap. Hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. If you're in the States, if you're not in the States, hopefully you had a nice little holiday yesterday off trading. Pull it back a little bit. We are just maintaining the daily trend as of right now. Everything is just going down. We got Thursday's value area low sitting at 414. Seems to be what we're kind of melting into. Got 420 down below as well. I've been noticing, in my opinion at least, that we have been having a little bit cleaner structure. I don't want to jinx it. Really just looking to capitalize on that, but that requires patience. Let's see if this is new point of control. It is at 400. So Delta would imply a push out of this. I'm going to put that bid back at 400. I'm long one. I'm out. 7 points. We are just chopping here, so I do feel fine with taking a top of the range sort of trade, but it does look like we're going to push out of this. So I'm fully expecting us to push into 460 and higher potentially at this point. I don't know. I don't really see a whole lot of reason to shoot for the stars right now. I'd rather just take the small bag. All right, nice rips. Trying to pop out of 60, coming back down. 62 looks like an interesting buy up to me. I'm going to look at 61. Really, I want like top of the prior high. Come back down, test it, and bounce. That's what I'm looking for. There we go. We're long one. Nas has 48. If we crack 48, it's probably going to tumble. Got some buyers coming through, though, here. Let's do a 5-minute candle. Let me see if there's a wick test here. There is. At 30. Quick little melt. We're long from the wick. 31.5. ES is getting heavy, though. Looking like it's about to crack the prior lows. So what that means with the Nas is that it might get pulled back down a little bit, but it's looking like it's trying to stay up. Delta's still looking okay as well. Trying to get back above 45, 50 range where that volume is right now and our average price. Perfect rejection. Classic algo blue line. Looks like we flashed green for just a second there. I missed it. Didn't see it. He has got a few blocks at the downside. 48.75. Got 420 there or so. Nas still holding up. Looking like we're probably going to go test 420 though. Top of the last little short-term range. Got some sellers coming through. ES just swept the lows. Now the Nas is rotating back into 400 though. We're what, 40 points, 30 points off entry. That was personally to me not really enough sellers to really like freak out based on the prior movement. Nas was just going, or the ES was pulling the Nas down there in my opinion. We'll see how this continues obviously. Down what, 1,200 bucks right now? Swept the lows, bounced it back in the range on the ES. Probably realistically should have bought point of control, but I don't really want to get into 3 contracts. ES just needs to stay above 50.75 in my opinion. If ES stays above 50.75, or I mean definitely if it flips above volume here, flips green on this candle like right now. If we close like this, I think we get a nice push out of it. It would be a different story if Delta was scary, but it's not scary right now. So I mean, in fact, it just looks like really good. Gotta let it do its thing. Got 30 seconds left. Really just want to see, I mean, love to see the NAS close above 60. Really just want to see it close green though. Same with the ES. Above volume is good in my opinion. All right, candle just closed. Going down to test the prior lows like immediately. New lows on the ES actually. Interesting. Little buy up. Got to get through that volume at 75. It's been the pain point so far. Went down, tested volume, went up, broke the 2 prior highs. Failed to break the high of day. Yeah, that's kind of a dirty candle. Broke the prior highs, come down, break the prior low. Back to 450. 75 is the number to beat. Oh, nice little rip here. Breaking that prior high. 75 is the number to beat, like we keep talking about. There it goes. Breaking. Oh, just barely testing the highs of day. Passing it by like, what, a tick? I'm going to take 1 off there. Leave this last one on. That last one, what, 300 bucks? And then we have 1,000 open. Just to deleverage a little bit. We were kind of bouncing around those highs, and I don't want to just get caught if we're just bouncing around the highs. Very tempted to just take both off here. I'm doing it. I'm out. Out near the highs. I hate when we just barely make a brand new high on the day. Totally, obviously, we can totally run through it. It freaks me out. And like the extra, 400 bucks, is it really worth it to me? That's 14.53 on the day. 2 trades, or 3 trades, I guess. 2 trades. Yeah, 3 trades. That was a long one, 21 minutes, almost 22 minutes exactly. I still want to see us push into the 500s, but Delta's been, like I've been saying, Delta's been telling the way, telling the story here. Just that slow trend to the upside, even through this chop, typically yields a nice little push. I just didn't want to see this thing come all the way back down after we broke the prior highs. I feel like that's terrible trade management to watch it break the prior highs by a tick. not take anything off, and then watch it go all the way back down to volume. So that's why I took it off. Want to see a clean break above 500 in VWAP, pushing to 520 for some continuation. However, ooh, look at Delta. Looks heavy. I like the short side here. I have an order down at the top of the range. Delta looks so heavy here. Oh, little pump. We're short one. So we pushed 520. I was looking at volume at 525. 520 was the answer. Magical 20s, classic. Just almost pushed VWAP, got smacked off of it. Rotating down into value area low, value area high range, hopefully. I'm going to go ahead and kill that off. That was like 10 points or so. Brings us to 1645 on the day. Well, glad I closed that short. That was a nice rip. What? 80 points? 90 points? Ooh.